My favorite part about working for Total Performance Physical Therapy is the fact that we get to spend a lot of time with our patients. Our caseload is not always the most important thing. We really value spending time and making sure our patients feel heard so that we're able to give them the best care possible. Professional development in Total Performance Physical Therapy is a little bit different depending on where you are at your stage in your career. Our new grads and our new hires, we spend a little bit more time to help them learn our billing processes and learn our EMR system and make sure they're comfortable within the company. As you're with the company a little bit longer, some of that starts to taper off, but we still make sure that we do at least quarterly work sessions as a team so that we all can get together, work together, and make sure everything's improving as best as we can. The company culture at Total Performance Physical Therapy is one that we work together a lot. All of our clinics are integrated at some point. We share a lot. We all help take care of each other's patients, especially when it comes to the front desk. So there's a lot of communication between each clinic. This allows for a lot of friendship, and we also take company trips as well that'll allow us to build more friendship in a more relaxed state so we can have a lot of fun.